going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Smile by Juice WRLD and The Weeknd. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll punch your smile in its face and break your teeth in half. Also, I'm giving away a free guitar. If you want to know how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So this song is in standard tuning, and you are going to capo up to the 2nd fret. It's only got 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be an E minor, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. And then D major, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2. C major, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. And then finally B7, which is 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 0. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's just down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up throughout all 4 chords. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.